to watch video, please like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon by which you can watch our latest informative videos. In this video I will tell you about writing articles and earn money. People are earning lot of money in nowadays on internet through social media. It's a valuable tool. Why not we can do this job? Being able to write the wording, you can choose to work with the client and websites that interest you most. You find jobs portals very helpful since employers themselves are posting updated jobs, and you have to do is to create a writer account and start browsing jobs, enhancing your writing skills. There are many others ways to make money online, but you need to have the skills to be chosen. Among the large pool of applicants, so that it is critical possibilities. We have to know the latest trends. Writing is an ever-ending journey, which means that it would require an intense thirst to improve your skills. For intense search engines, optimizing involves creating content that aims to rank in search engines. By learning how to optimize content using the principle of SEO, such as choosing the right keyword and links, you can become competitive and get hired as an SEO writer. Meet other writers, join social media writers forums or groups to meet other writers. You will earning job offers. You might be surprised to get hired on the spot because a writer referred you to one of their clients. You will get some expert tips as to what websites are offering writing jobs and pay well too. Take advantage of free writing short courses online, which is contributed by writers themselves and experts on the field, like academies where you might be a native English speaker. Great content does not only include good grammar and spelling, but also the creative, organized thoughts to properly deliver your message to the article's intended audience. Where you can get paid to write your own articles. First one is Wow Woman on Writing, $50 to $100. It does one thing really well. They look other they look after female writers, encourage them, and genuinely seek to offer opportunities to budding freelancers. Their audience is diverse and are focused on providing excellent content for women. For women, focus on innovative businesses, freelancing, and training. Showcase their work. You have an option of either asking for a payment of PayPal if you are in USA, by check. How to get started. Start by reading other Wow articles. You will want to have an idea of the turn of the sites. The site is informative, relaxed, and excited about showcasing good writers. Ensure that you are not just duplicating their content and rewriting an old idea. Be careful. Wow pay will up to $150 for a 3,000 words for articles. Focus on being useful. How will your post help readers? Practical. Wow Women focus on women's writers and monthly theme. I am sure what they offer in terms of link back to your own content in articles, but they do link back to your site from your author profile. And second one is Strong Whispers. They offer you $50 to $150. Strong Whispers offers readers a wide range of articles about lifestyle, environment, and other social issues. The range is wide. Your contribution is not limited. The articles can range from corporate greed to education decisions on the way we treat the environment and exploitation of resources. How to get started. Articles earning are negotiable, but they typically pay $50 to $150 per published articles. They are willing to pay more for the right article, and website aims publish 2 to 3 guest posts per month. First one is send them your best outline for an article you would like to write along with your fee expectations. Topics need to be unique and have a high impact. They also ask what you send your current blog URL and a URL to published work, and if your sample meets their review criteria. Second is that after you have been invited to write for them, and go ahead, write your article and submit it for review. They would not publish simply. Each article must be well written, accurate, grammatically correct, and original content. You will get to view their guidelines so you can be sure to tick all the boxes. Third one, after you submit your article online, it will be reviewed. After reviewed, you will receive one of 3 emails: rejected, poor quality, requires minor changes, and last one is approved. Once set to publish, you will be paid via PayPal. Third one, site is linkable. It will pay a huge amount to you, $100 to $750. Linkable is a great way for high quality authors to earn money publishing for a wide range of clients and industries. Linkable matches writers who are able to publish on relevant sites with businesses looking to earn mentions, links, and traffic to their sites. Founded by Jay Toggles, Linkable offers good rates that depend on the sites you have authorship on, include business, finance, marketing, health, support, technology, retail, and more. The site will generally only accept native English authors and those with track record of high quality work in English. Platform is simply and it is easy to use. Once you have been approved as an author, just browse the available writing jobs and apply. How to get started. Apply for an author account and choose your area of expertise. Once approved, browse writing jobs. Read the job spaces carefully. Recommended a site or sites you can write and concept for your article. If you win the job you write, you will have more success if you limit your areas of expertise to only those things you are truly passionate about it. A few tips on writing the kind of articles that get published. Make sure your article is free from grammatical errors. We suggest using a tool like Free Grammar Checker by Edobright. Make sure article is original. Make sure you follow the editorial guidelines regarding These are basic to getting people to show interest in publishing your article and are absolutely necessary. Thank you guys watching my videos, and if you have any query or problem, you can ask in my comment box. Take care. Bye bye.